spaces. Over 4 dahil ang bilang ng ating spaces ay 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Isusulat muna natin ang mga sample events. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 para sa 1. 1 over 4 para sa 2. 1 over 4 para sa 3. At 1 over 4 para sa 4 equals 1.
Para makuha ang value ng 29C, ilista muna lahat ng value ng P of X. (0.21 plus 29C plus 0.29 plus 0.21). Pagkatapos, i-add lahat ng like terms. Pagkatapos nun, itatranspose ang 0.71 sa tabi ng 1. Para makuha ang value ng C, i-divide both sides sa 29. And the answer is 0.01. At dahil ang value ng C ay 0.01, ita-times lang ito sa 29. So the answer is P of 2 is equal to 0.29.
In solving this equation, we will be using property B. Now, write summation and let x be equals to 1. Write K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus K4, and we'll be adding this 4. (1K plus 2K plus 3K plus 4K). Adding this will be 10K. And now, it will be 1 is equals to 10K. Divide both sides by 10. And it will become K equals to 1 over 10. f of x is equals to 1 over 10x if x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0 otherwise.
This is the formula to get the expected value of a discrete random variable. E of x is equals to summation of x times fx. Yung given natin ay s is equals to 0, 1, 2, at 3. Fx is equals to 1/4 if x is element of s, and 0 if x is not element of s. Our E of x equals to summation x and 1/4. Yung 1/4, yun yung fx, kaya substitute natin siya. Tapos yung x, substitute natin siya sa s, kaya 0 times 1/4 plus 1 times 1/4 plus 2 times 1/4 plus 3 times 1/4. Is equals to 6/4 or 3/2. Our answer is 3/2. That is the final answer.
To get the mean, i-multiply natin yung x sa p of x and i-add yung product nila. So, let's say na ang given sa x ay 0, 1, and 2, and sa p of x naman, 0.25, 0.50, and 0.25. So, first example is 0 times 0.25 is 0. 1 times 0.50 is equal to 0.5. 2 times 0.25 is equal to 0.5. So, i-add natin yung product ng x and p of x. So, 0 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 is equal to 1. Ang mean natin ay 1.
To get x minus mu squared, you'll just going to square those answers in the x minus mu. Then, to get the answer in the x minus mu squared times p of x, just multiply your answers in the x minus mu squared times p of x. After multiplying, add all the numbers in x minus mu squared times p of x to get the summation, then your answer will be 1.8475. The formula to get the variance is summation of x minus mu squared times p of x. Then, to get the standard deviation, just square root your answer in the variance.
Makuha ang x times p of x, i-multiply lang natin ang x sa p of x. At kapag nakuha na lahat, i-add para makuha ang summation of x times p of x. Para naman sa x squared, i-squared lang natin yung x. Para naman sa x squared times p of x, i-multiply lang natin ang x squared sa p of x at i-add ulit lahat. Para naman makuha ang standard deviation and variance, kailangan lang natin sundan ang formula. First, ilagay natin ang summation of x times p of x o 10.55 at i-minus o i-subtract sa summation of x times p of x or 2.95 at i-squared. So, 10.55 minus 8.7025 is equal to 1.8475 or 1.85. Makuha ang standard deviation, i-square root lang natin ang variance na 1.85. So, square root of 1.85 is 1.36.